So how does it work if you want to post on a Snapchat with your Apple Watch, right? So you have recently noticed that there is a dedicated Snapchat app directly on the Apple Watch. So it is useful, I guess. There is, the ability to have that on your wrist, but how does it work? Well, the only purpose of this app is to let you know about incoming snaps. And if it's a text snap, it also lets you reply to it, right? So you can use the little keyboard on the watch or some kind of different input method and it just reply to that snap. But if the app on the watch doesn't work in the fashion that you would just open it up, take a photo or something, and just post it on Snapchat. You can do this on your phone or iPad, but the Apple Watch app simply doesn't have that capability. It hasn't been designed with that intention in mind. So that is again to receive notifications and quick replies. If you really wanted to use the Apple Watch to capture some photos, I guess the only option is to use the remote shutter button from your phone, where you use your phone to remotely take a picture and then you're gonna upload it to Snapchat. That is one possibility as well. But other than that, there isn't really much else you can do about it. So to post on Snapchat with Apple Watch, you can only reply to incoming snaps, and that is the only thing which you can sort of publish on a snap from the Apple Watch. So I hope that makes sense. Let me know below in the comments what you think about it. Subscribe for more guides and videos like this one, and I'll catch you later in the future.